Claire? Neil? Ackroyd? We went to Selby Bridge together.
Neil, how are you?
Well, how are you?
I came in here a couple of weeks ago after a job and he didn't get back to me, and turns out he's hired someone else.
Oh, he's hopeless. Don't know which way's up. Couldn't organise a proverbial pisser. I'd look elsewhere.
Well, I have to. You know, I'd have walked right past you and not known who you are. How are you keeping?
Oh, don't know.
Do you live around here?
Yeah. I got me a little flat on Rawson Lane. And not been there but a few months.
Weren't you up on Queensbury?
Got divorced.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, still. How about you? Are you married?
No. I've had a few entanglements, but no. I'm living with my sister, Catherine. Do you remember our Catherine?
Oh, I remember your Catherine.
2 years above us.
I was almost terrified of her.
I know what you mean. Don't you work for the Building Society?
I did for years, but then I had me a little difficult patch. All to do with the divorce, one way or another.
Blimey.
Yeah, still.
Well, I'm sorry.
Well, it's smashing to bump into you anyway. Like, I often thought about it.
Have you?
Yeah. Occasionally, I wonder what you're up to.
Well, we're up on Hanging Road, me and Catherine, number 29. If you're ever at a loose end and fancy a cup of tea.
Well, I'm working through 4, but pop me in then.
Today?
Oh, obviously not if you're busy.
No. That'd be lovely.